ప్రధాని మోదీ ప్రభుత్వం దక్షిణాది రాష్ట్రాలను పట్టించుకోవడం లేదన్నారు డీఎంకే ఎంపీ దయానిధి మారన్. చెన్నైలో నిర్మించే మెట్రో సెకండ్ ఫేజ్ కోసం నిధులు అడుగుతున్నా పట్టించుకోవడం లేదన్నారు. బీహార్కు 35,000 కోట్లు ఇచ్చి ఏపీకి 16,000 కోట్ల రూపాయలు లోన్ల రూపంలో ఇచ్చారంటున్నారు. ఇప్పటికైనా ఏపీ సీఎం చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు ఆలోచించుకోవాలన్నారు. కేంద్రంలో మైనారిటీ ప్రభుత్వం ఉందని ఏదైనా జరగవచ్చనన్నారు దయానిధి మారన్.
When our Chief Minister took oath as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, he said, I am not only for the Chief Minister of people who voted for me, but also for the people who didn't vote for me. I'll perform in such a good way that people who didn't vote for me will feel bad. Why didn't we not vote for Mr. Stalin? Today, his government is cutting across people, whether voter or not, ensuring that the schemes are. In fact, we have a skill development scheme introduced by the Union government. They are training 20 lakh people a year. We have the same scheme in Tamil Nadu introduced by our CM for MK Stalin. We are training 15 lakhs. A state with limited resources is able to train, skill 15 lakhs. A union government is only able to do 20 lakhs. Divided amongst the state, 32 states here, just imagine how many people per state. This shows that they are really not into it. They haven't learned the lesson. People have made you a minority because you never performed. The last 10 years, it was your narrative. The narrative you wanted us to believe. Nothing happened. You were dividing the country in the name of religion. People do not want that. That's the reason. The same constituency of Ayodhya, you could not win. Reason is that, in fact, it is a proud moment to say that how you divided the country in the name of Ayodhya. People are watching. People of Tamil Nadu will never forgive and forget. They are watching you. The reason you are not winning here is because you are trying. This is divisive politics. We will not accept you. But irrespective whether the union government gives the funds, our Chief Minister MK Stalin said we will continue with all the projects in Tamil Nadu and make sure Tamil Nadu continues.